What is the typical lifespan of the solar modules?
25 years performance warranty. Works beyond with 80% capacity.
What direction should solar panels face?
South equals 100% efficiency. Southeast and southwest equals 95% efficiency. West and east equals 90% efficiency.
How durable are solar panels? Do hailstorms make an impact?
Hailstones are big as tennis balls. Do not make no impact.
Will home insurance cover solar panels?
Yes. Most insurance companies cover with a minimal amount, maybe $100 or less per year.
If it is cloudy, foggy, or raining, will my solar electric system still generate power?
Yes. But energy generation will be lower with less sunlight.
What are the typical federal and state incentives and rebates available?
Residential project. Get 30% federal tax credit of the investment. Commercial project. Get 30% tax credit plus approximate 20% depreciation benefit.
My HOA is strict and will not allow solar panels installation. Is there a way around that?
HOA cannot deny solar panel installation by law. Solar eTribe will take care of handling the situation. No worries.
What are the ongoing operation and maintenance costs of solar panels?
O&M cost is zero. Panels need cleaning if dirt accumulated on the surface.
Will solar panels on the rooftop weaken the roof?
No, they don't. Most structure load bearing capacity is over 20 pounds per square foot, whereas solar panels have only 3 pounds per square foot. In fact, panels protect roof shingles from direct sunlight.
What is the area required for mounting solar panels to the rooftop?
Typical residential homes with 10 kW power requirements need 700 square feet.